What it do, YouTube? What up? Hey, about to install some carpet up in this doggone 94 Chevy Caprice Bubba sedan. Let y'all see how the inside look. Let y'all see me take this thing out. Boy, it's rough. I think they got some adhesive on it. Quarter. But it's money, man. Let me get that shit. I remember that. I couldn't even find a penny back in the day. You see some more? There go some pennies right there. Let me get them. Let me get them off you, boy. Nickel. Some more pennies. Let me get that, boy. Let me. Hey. Alright. Enough of the bull crap. Here you go. Want some money? Boy, I remember back in the day, boy, I couldn't find a penny, boy. Pocket that. Put it in the bank. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. There you go, y'all. There you go. Ugh. Look at that perfect thing down there, what, clean. Rip this side up. See, I can find some more money. That go 2 pennies. Ugh. That boy smelling sauce in there, huh? Go some more cash for you, boy. Big boy. You gonna be rich one day. Y'all be taking y'all car to the shop? Nobody. Nobody. I don't give a fuck. I'm doing it myself. If it jacked up, I did it myself. Stank, who do my work?
You.
Same thing I'm doing, the same thing I read directions. Come out. Come out, wherever you are. Come on, son. That's our first time holding the camera. She can't record, right? Boom. Drop it. I think it's like $100-something on eBay. But yeah, show y'all what it looking like. Got it sitting out. It's that black. About to get to working on that old Caprice. I'm gonna show y'all how that thing look. $400 car. Can't beat it. Alright, you two, I'm up out of here. Yeah, you two, they got through putting this carpet in, man. Yeah, I think I did pretty good for my first time. Well, second time. Because when I put it in before, man, I had it too far on this side right here on the passenger side. That motherfucker pushed way over there like that. I'm like, what the hell? So, hell. Now, what I did, man, hell. It's cold out here, man. I took all this stuff right here loose. That's a star set. You see that star set size is? See. Yeah, here, there you go. T50. I think you go a size smaller than that, it still fit up in there. Yeah, man, I went with the black, man. I think I'm gonna go black and red up in here. Yeah, but what I did, man, was kind of even it up. It come already folded up, just sit it out, and it's supposed to come out, man. Fit your floor. But it was already pre-cut out. Just had to cut the holes in it. But y'all see, I got the I just push down on it like that, and it just pop right up in there. There you go. Cold out here, man. About to put this passenger seat in. I'm taking it on in. You know, you got a hole right there. Move that. But you know, man, common sense stuff. You know, I do everything on my own anyway. Trying to save a little money. I already did that driver side. Hate I didn't record it. Need to start picking up the camera, man. Car and this stuff. Somebody else might want to do it first time doing it on their own. Then they'll know. See, there go the first hold I did. I messed up bad. Look how far I was off. But yeah, YouTube, let me put this seat in, man, so I get up in this house. Yeah, that's the finished product right here. That's tucked over there. It just look, I don't know what it is, but it just pushed up a little bit. Yeah, I think I did pretty good though, for real.